Oh, bye. Alright, so my friend is installing a new downpipe in his Subaru. We're gonna go help and check it out. It shouldn't be too hard, but something to do. Yeah, it's on the sidewall. And then, so there's like mesh.
I got excited for a little bit. For a second there, I was like,
There's like mesh kind of stuff. Sometimes it's like blocking the passage a little bit, like it's a little tighter.
yeah, well, that's what I thought. I thought you, because
This one, no? It's nice though. Nice big pipe.
yeah.
This is dinner from yesterday. I actually feel really shitty for wasting this.
When you buy your own food.
Yeah. Now we'll leave it out in the sun for a little bit, it'll heat up. Yeah, about an hour. It's like 85 degrees out. Just take up the whole mat. Jeez.
Right.
You want some help?
Can you grab my camera too? Can you be a double cameraman?
I'll be a double vlog.
Double vlog? Can you double fist it?
Darren, are you burning into the car? What?
Was I really?
Look!
Oh shit,
Yeah.
I was burning my bumper. Oh, on this side too.
You can see the plastic like burnt onto it.
Look at this.
Dude, that's like bad.
Yeah.
I was fully burning into my bumper.
Mm-hmm.
Like,
yeah,
look at that side.
I saw it. I got a clip of it.
God damn it. Okay, I'll pull them.
Fuck!
Okay, here, hold
I just
hold,
tightened the other one even
hold,
more.
Hold this one. Lesson learned.
What? It's really quiet. Give it a little rev.
Right there, that's why.
It's really fucking loud. It shouldn't be too hard, but I think we're doing pretty good.
Oh, you should've grabbed my camera too.
So we got the mid pipe. Is it the mid pipe with the resonator?
Yeah.
Okay, I got that right.
Two different
And the white pipe. That's in.
Darren, pass the other pipe.
And now the tips.
How does that look?
Yeah. Okay. You ready?
This one still feels bigger, the mid pipe.
That was hella awkward. This shot is so weird. I'm just looking straight down at Chris with his legs and why.
I can just imagine what Darren's looking at.
I'll show you the clip afterwards.
Gotta really put this on the hair.
Well, that's a nice shot, Chris.
I could only imagine.
We need actual work lights.
Wait, let me take these off. They're not in the way.
Damn, that teamwork though. Okay, where's your camera? Anything?
Fat ones. I have long black ones.
Oh, I like the long black ones.
Wait. Where's the...
Do you need short ones? Do you like ones with girth?
Honestly, I just need 3 zip ties. I don't care.
It really doesn't matter. You
Where's
need this?
Oh.
Bro, I didn't even do this on the Mustang. This is pretty bad.
What? The zip ties?
Zip ties on the exhaust.
It's just for the day, for the night.
I know.
I'm just driving to work tomorrow. Chill, people.
And then I might accidentally forget and just continue driving for the next
Right? Right, I'm like...
I think that's pretty much what it's gonna sound like.
Wait, are you?
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a couple rounds.
That sounds pretty fucking good.
What sounds here?
That's a lot louder.
That is.
That's not what it used to be.
You can hear the purr too.
Yeah. We should just pack up everything and just like ditch. Oh, damn it. Cool. Next time we do tire rods on my Mustang, that'll be fun.